At RedClean, we take pride in providing excellent roof cleaning services to our valued customers across a wide geographical area. Our commitment to quality extends far and wide, ensuring that your roof can receive the care and attention that it deserves. Whether you're within a stone throws away from our base in Milton Keynes or located miles away, we have you covered. Our central base in Milton Keynes serves as our base of operations. From here, we can efficiently reach numerous cities, towns and villages within an hour or so drive. This strategically situated hub allows us to offer our exceptional roof cleaning services to a significant portion of England. Whether in Milton Keynes or the surrounding areas, you're right in our backyard. Our local reach, the 80-mile radius. Approximately 90% of our roof cleaning work is within an 80-mile radius of Milton Keynes. This extensive reach includes major cities like London, Birmingham, Oxford, Cambridge and Northampton, along with countless picturesque towns and villages. We understand the unique roofing needs of properties in these diverse areas and we are well equipped to address them. Going that extra mile for your roof. While our primary focus is on serving the communities within our 80-mile radius, we are committed to going that extra mile for the right size roofs that require our expertise. For larger projects and for the right conditions, we can travel to virtually any location in England to ensure that your roof receives the care that it deserves. How to know if we can help you? If you're wondering whether RedClean can assist you with your roof cleaning needs, the answer is simple. Get in touch with us. We encourage customers from all corners of England to reach out and discuss their requirements with our knowledgeable team. Distance from Milton Keynes. If you're within an hour or so drive from Milton Keynes or fall within our 80-mile radius, you can be rest assured that we're readily available to serve you. Roof size and type. Don't hesitate to contact us with larger roofs or specialised cleaning needs. We can assess the project scope and discuss travel options to meet your needs. Customised solutions. At RedClean, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. We work closely with you to understand your requirements and tailor our services accordingly. Professional consultation. Our team is here to provide professional advice and guidance. Contact us and we'll help you determine the best approach to address your roof's cleaning concerns. Why choose RedClean for your roof cleaning? Experience and expertise. With years of experience in the industry, we have the skills and training to deliver exceptional roof cleaning results. Quality products and equipment. We use the latest equipment and eco-friendly cleaning solutions to ensure your roof gets the best treatment. Customer-centric approach. Your satisfaction is our priority. We take the time to understand your needs and work with you to achieve the desired outcome. Reliable and trustworthy. Count on us for punctuality, professionalism and commitment to doing the job right first time. In conclusion, RedClean's roof cleaning services cover a vast area with our base in Milton Keynes serving as a central hub for operations. We proudly serve communities within an 80-mile radius and are prepared to travel further for more extensive projects when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to us regardless of your location. We're here to discuss your roof cleaning needs and find the best solution. Contact RedClean today and experience the difference in our comprehensive, customer-focused approach to roof cleaning.